case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1954, a riveting court battle, Robinson v. Pennsylvania R., unfolded in the United States Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit, revolving around the controversial Federal Employers Liability Act. It all started when a Philadelphia-based carpenter-foreman, during a routine resurfacing task on a bridge, was unfortunately injured. Unraveling legal complexities, the defendant asserted that the Federal Employers Liability Act was irrelevant. Their argument hinged on the claim that the foreman's work did not substantially influence interstate commerce. Laying this contention to rest, the district court ruled otherwise. It deemed even work on a bridge linking intrastate highways over interstate railway tracks as tasks of considerable interstate bearing. Therefore, the judge deemed that the act did indeed cover the plaintiff. However, taking an unexpected turn, the trial plunged into chaos as both counsels indulged in irregular conducts, hurling gratuitous accusations at each other. This reckless behavior was deemed unacceptable by the court, detracting from the case's central issues and impairing the jury's ability to render a fair verdict. In response to this alarming infringement of courtroom decorum, the court had no choice but to nullify the district court's judgment. A new trial was ordered, the court emphasizing that both counsels' inappropriate conduct had compromised the judicial process. It reprimanded this diversion from the core issue and reiterated that such unprofessional behavior could not be overlooked. In this dramatic saga, the court did not address any other appeal points. Consequently, both parties must bear their respective expenses, adding another twist to this intriguing legal tale.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.